I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell shares in Zerodha Kite platform. This video is for a newbie who has wanted to buy shares and sell shares for investment purposes and is not sure how to do it. If you have newly opened an account with Zerodha or planning to open an account, this is the right video. I felt the need to make a video as I have come across many who struggle to understand or find it difficult to buy their first share and are confused by the Kite platform's interface or the jargons used online. I'm going to use my trading account to show the examples. All my subscribers who made it possible for me to be motivated to upload videos and are already well versed in using the Zerodha platform can add in their points in the comment section, but keep it simple. I am going to cover the points that are the only thing you need if you are a beginner and are willing to buy shares for investment purpose. That is the long term. I'm going to cover the points that are the only thing you need if you are a beginner and want to buy shares for investment purposes, that is for long term. Now, what is an investment? In simple words, you buy the shares of the company today and sell them after a few months or years with the intention of making profits with the increase in the price of the company's share. Heading over to the Zerodha Kite platform, pay close attention. The login process. Enter your user ID and password. In my account, I have enabled secret 6-digit PIN for two-factor authentication, which you need not bother with for now. You would see this page. So how do we add the funds? Click on the add funds on the right side, which is in green color. Now you see how much money to add. So add the money. You can add 500,000 or 10,000 rupees or any amount you allocated for investment. The next header is segment. Do not change anything. Leave as is. Next is the bank account which you provided while opening the account with Zerodha. You can transfer the funds through UPI or net banking. UPI is free and there are nominal charges for net banking. It might take some time to reflect your money in the available cash. Step 2. In Zerodha, they provide 5 watchlist page which can track companies by searching and adding companies. This watchlist shows the stock market's watch, which will display the last traded price, showing the percentage changes in the stock price. For example, I searched IDFC First Bank and added it to the watch list. This is a market watch which you can all make use of. I will show you how to buy through the trading terminal. There are only two things you have to remember to place a buy order. Buy order can be executed at market or limit order type. These are the only things you got to remember as a beginner. Forget the rest of the items. For investment purposes, you need not bother about other options provided on the trading terminal, which can confuse you if you are very new to investment. Investment means you are buying the shares with the intention of holding them for a long term. Before I show how to place the buy order, I will explain what market order type and limit order type is. When you are executing a market order, the stock is bought at the available price and not at a specific price. When you are executing a limit order, the stock is bought at a specific price. Now let's place a buy order at market order. As we scroll down, you can see IDFC First Bank, which I had added earlier. Use the mouse and hover over the stock you want to buy and click on the buy icon and place the order. In a market order, you enter the quantity of the shares you want to buy. You need not bother about the other details for now. The option such as long-term, CNC, cash and carry is already selected in the default, so leave as is. You head over to the order header at the top to see if the order is placed. You can see the complete status, which means I have bought one share of IDFC First Bank at a market price at rupees 36.45 paise. So the order book provides the details of the order you have placed. There are high chances the buy order is getting executed immediately using market type order. You can head over to positions, which shows when the order is complete. There is a pop-up once the order is completed if you're using it on a laptop. We are placing our order using the limit order type. In this order type, you need to enter the price at which you're planning to buy. Usually, the order will not get executed immediately. The order will be executed only when the seller is available at a specific price at which you have placed a buy order. Taking the same example of IDFC First Bank, click on the buy icon and place the order. I am entering the price at rupees 36.5, which is 0.5 points lesser than the current trading price of rupees 36.55. The options such as long term, that is the cash and carry, is already selected in default, so you need not bother about any other thing. So now we see the order getting placed, and you can track the same thing in the positions. Coming to how to sell on the trading platform. Similarly, placing a sell order can be done at market or limit order type. When you are executing a market order, the stock is sold at the available price at which the buyers are placing a buy order. When you execute a limit order, the stock is sold at a specific price which you quote if there is a buy order by someone else at the same price. The shares you buy today for long term, that is the CNC, that is the cash and carry, will be available in the holdings the next trading day. So head over to the holdings and you can see the shares you have bought the next following day. For example, if you owe the shares and left click on the options, and it can be used to exit your holdings. Now showing my holdings, I have 51 shares of so many Sierra and I can exit using a market or limit order. Even under this, the default would be long term ANC. So remember these details to buy and sell if your goal is long term, which I suggest for the beginners, for those who are beginning their investing life. So as I mentioned, I felt this need to make a simple video explaining the basics for a newbie. I hope you start your investment journey. Thank you.
Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.